Hey guys, welcome to Made by Miriam. Today I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about this one and done kit and how to make this slouch potato hat. To crochet this super cute hat, everything you're going to need is in this one bag. This kit includes yarn, a crochet hook, a blunt needle, and the instructions that you need to make this hat. In the instructions, it says exactly how to make this pom-pom. All you need is a piece of cardboard and you're ready to go. It's super easy, simple, and it looks great on the hat. I am not the most experienced crocheter, but it's really easy to learn and even teach yourself like I did online. There are plenty of ways to learn, and as I said, it's really easy to pick up, so don't worry if you don't even know how to crochet yet. When I was having trouble learning how to do the half double crochet stitch, I went to Lime Brand's YouTube channel. They have tons of how-to videos and especially videos on how to do the specific stitch you need for this hat. You can click right here to go to a video and learn how to half double crochet yourself. Crocheting is also really fast, so don't worry if you don't have enough time. I finished this hat in like under 12 hours. Obviously I didn't knit for 12 hours straight, but it took me like less than a day to make this hat, which is perfect if you're in a rush, you want a gift for someone. It's really great. I did have a few struggles while making this hat. Nonetheless, it turned out amazing, but I do want to talk a little bit about my struggles and how I overcame them. So when I was crocheting this hat, I noticed that it seemed a little long. Even if I undo the fold, it looks pretty long for a hat, and it was even longer before. I was a little worried. I had already tied and sewed everything, so I couldn't just like take out rows. I did in the end find a solution to my problem that solved it, and it didn't require any work. It was super easy. All I did was bunch in the top right here, and it made it just that much shorter, so it fit perfectly. And the hat turned out great. I think that's a really good example of whenever you're having a little bit of trouble crocheting or knitting, there's always a way to get around it, and you can always still finish your project and turn it into something great. I've already gotten a ton of compliments on this hat. It's super cute, and one of the things I really love about it is the color. I already mentioned this, but this color is a perfect fall and winter color, and it matches with everything, so anything that you wear, it's gonna look great with it. It's perfect to accessorize an outfit or to keep you warm if it's cold outside. Don't forget to click here to get one of your own one and done kits and make this hat. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to make your own slouch potato hat using the one and done kit. Don't forget to subscribe to Lime Brand Yarn. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your experience was making this hat. Thanks guys, see you next time.